In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-index, or enumerate, a simple array in Power Automate, without using variables or loops. This concise and powerful technique will streamline your data processes, making them more efficient and easier to manage. So, let's dive right in and explore each step in detail. To start off, you need to initialize your array. This acts as the foundation of the process. By setting this up, you're defining the data set that you'll be working with. Head over to the Power Automate interface and choose the Initialize Variable action. Here, you'll be prompted to enter a few fields. In the Name field, type in Original Array, which will act as our identifier. Then, in the Type field, select Array. This step is crucial because it signals that our variable will store an array of items. Finally, in the Value field, input the array itself. For this tutorial, we'll use a simple array with the values apple, banana, and cherry. This is just a sample, but you can replace these with any elements relevant to your task. Next, we'll shift our focus to the Select action. The purpose of this step is to transform each item in our array by adding an index number to it. Begin by adding the Select action to your flow. Under the From field, reference your original array by selecting Variables Original Array. This ensures that Power Automate understands which data set it needs to operate on. Now, it's time to define how we want each item in the array to be transformed. In the Map section, you'll see two subfields, Key and Value. For the key, we will type Index. This serves as a label for the index numbers we will add to each item. In the Value field, we input a specific expression, Add Property, Item, Index, Index of Variables, Original Array, Item. This piece of code is what makes the magic happen. It adds an index property to each element, which corresponds to its position within the original array. Essentially, it assigns a number to each item, starting from 0, going sequentially upwards. Once this is all set up, what results is an array of objects. Each object contains the item from the original array and its assigned index. The transformation of your array is efficient and takes place without looping or additional variables. This makes your flow cleaner and can prevent unnecessary complexity. By the end of this process, you'll have successfully automated the indexing of your array. This method is not only simple but also remarkably effective for organizing data in Power Automate, especially when dealing with complex workflows. By mastering this technique, you enhance your ability to manage and manipulate your data with precision. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find this tutorial both informative and useful in your automation endeavors.